What do you got going on this weekend? Where are you going today?
I got stuff.
Have you got stuff?
I've got stuff.
What stuff you got?
That looks oddly cool. Is it just me? It just looks
Well,
odd.
you're talking about all the nuts on the wheels.
This, my friend, is a Tamiya TT-01. A thoroughbred racing machine, if ever I had saw one.
They get around the track.
They get around the track. This car was last year's at the Bendigo Easter Fair back in April.
Mm-hmm.
And how much fun did it?
It was airborne most of the time.
We did like to put it in the ramp round, and it actually was competitive in the 21.5 class.
Yes.
Believe it or not. A little bit slow on the straight, but good in the corners. But let's pop off the hood. And the reason that the wheels look funny is because they're Tamiya truck wheels. And that's just me just having a laugh. I actually want to see what it's like. So I am actually going to Geelong tonight. Geelong Radio Control Car Club races.
Indoor.
Yeah, indoor.
Mm.
In Melbourne, you can be really hard pushed to get a race event in because the weather is quite inclement and it's quite cold. That said, it will be cold tonight, but nonetheless, the action on track will be hot.
Hot action.
I would have loved to take the RS 1.0, but I've actually palmed that out to one of our resident race drivers, Tommy Huggins, to put it through his paces when he doesn't want to wear out his MS 1.0. So in the meantime, something a bit ad hoc, I thought I'd just break out the old Tamiya TT and go racing.
Why not?
That's all you need. Taking 4 batteries, I'm taking the car, taking a transmitter, and we are done. So let's have a quick look at the overhead and have a look at the basic architecture of the TT01. So, and it's the same platform as the truck. I know that because I just changed the body posts. I didn't bother changing the wheels. I changed the body post to put on the touring car body. Has a top deck, which is really good. It has a 4-drive transmission, what we call open diffs. So they're not fluid filled or adjustable in any way, but they are differentials. There's gears, bevel gears in there.
Yep.
All lock, doesn't have shocks, no. Has spring retainers. And they're really good to go racing. So most TT01 kits, if they're in touring cars, they're like $200 per kit. So you can get something and take it. It doesn't have to be on the track. You can go to the track when it's not a race day in general and just go around and circulate. And they will get you into the hobby. And I like about it because you can just have them sitting around for 6 months, charge your batteries and go. And that's exactly what I'm doing tonight. Go to the front one. And that's exactly what I'm doing tonight. Go and hang out with some mates. Go and have a bit of a club race. Yeah. Like I said, it's not the most thrilling drive in the world, but it doesn't mean you can't have fun.
Well, there's no maintenance on these when you're racing.
Nah, there's nothing to break.
You charge up the battery, you put it in there, you drive around.
That's right. Even the battery, you can go 3 races or something like without even. It's got the 9 steps 4200 lipo in there. So it's a $70 battery, right?
This keeps going.
Goes 3 races. It takes like 700 milliamps out of for the race. It takes no power. You're not allowed to modify them. You're not allowed to do anything. It's got bearings and that's it. So that's where I'm going tonight. If you are able to, come past, say hello, get down there, get your entry in, have some fun. Say hello.
That's what it's all about.
That's right.
Yes.
So look out for updates. I'll put take some photos and do some updates as the night or the day goes on.
Sounds like a plan. Sounds like a plan.